Shopify Summer 26 editions just dropped. And here's what I've learned watching these releases. The stores that benefit most aren't the ones who watched the keynote live and got excited. They're the ones whose data was already clean and ready when the new features went live. Because here's the pattern. Every single time, Shopify ships AI features that pull from data you already have. Your metafields, your product descriptions, your schema, the search and discovery layer underneath your store. If that data is complete and clean, the new features work for you on day one. If it's messy, you spend the first month fixing your data while the stores that prepared are already getting recommended. The features are the same for everyone. The readiness is not. That's the whole difference. So in this video, I'm going to walk through the 7 things to get right so your store can activate new AI commerce features the day they ship, not 2 weeks later. Every one of these is something you can do in your Shopify admin this week, and the whole list takes about a day for most stores. These came from auditing more than 100 Shopify stores ahead of previous editions releases, so this isn't theory. It's what separated the stores that moved fast from the ones that scrambled. Let's go. Number 1. Audit your product metafields. Shopify's AI features pull from product metafields to answer shopper questions. When a buyer asks the AI, "Is this dishwasher safe?" or "What's the material?" the system looks for that answer in your structured product data, and a lot of that lives in metafields. If your metafields are empty or inconsistent, the AI simply can't surface your products accurately because it doesn't have the facts to answer with. Here's the line to remember. Empty metafields are invisible products. The AI can't recommend what it can't confirm. So run a full metafield audit in your Shopify admin now. Look at your key product attributes, the ones a buyer actually cares about for your category. Materials, dimensions, compatibility, care instructions, use cases, whatever matters for what you sell. Check that they're populated, that they're consistent across products, and that they're using the right metafield definitions. This is unglamorous work. It's also exactly the kind of thing that's invisible until an AI feature ships, and suddenly your competitors' products get surfaced with rich detail, and yours show up bare or not at all. Fix this before the features lean on it, not after. Number 2, rewrite your product descriptions for AI readability. AI shopping assistants read your product descriptions to answer real buyer questions. Things like, is this waterproof, or does this work for sensitive skin? A keyword stuffed description doesn't answer those questions. It was written to please an old search algorithm, not to inform a buyer. A real description, written for a person, does answer them, and the data backs this up. According to Practical E-commerce, product pages with complete question-answering descriptions see 2 to 3 times higher AI citation rates than pages optimized for keyword density alone. 2 to 3 times, just from writing descriptions that actually answer questions. So here's the target. Aim for 150 to 200 words per product that directly address the top 3 questions a buyer would ask before purchasing, not adjectives. Not elevate your everyday. Actual answers. What it's made of, who it's for, what problem it solves, how to use it, what makes it different from the alternative. Start with your best sellers, because that's where the traffic and the revenue are. Rewrite those descriptions to answer questions, and you've improved the exact thing every AI shopping feature reads first. Number 3, enable and configure Shopify's Search and Discovery app. This one is quick and a lot of stores skip it. Shopify Search and Discovery app is the infrastructure layer for AI-powered search inside your store. Most of the AI features Shopify has been shipping built directly on top of it. Filters, recommendations, search behavior, synonyms. It's the foundation the smarter features sit on. If it's not installed and configured, you're starting from zero on launch day. The feature ships, it expects that layer to be there, and you don't have it set up yet. The good news is it takes under 30 minutes to install and do the basic configuration. Set up your filters, your synonyms, your product boosts, your recommendation settings. There's no reason to wait on this one. Do it this week so that when the features that depend on it activate, your foundation is already in place. Number 4, clean your product catalog. Draft products, ghost SKUs, inventory sync errors. These don't just slow your store down or clutter your admin. They feed bad data to AI recommendation engines. And here's the thing about AI features. They amplify whatever data you give them. Clean data in means clean recommendations out. Bad data in means your store gets recommended in the wrong context, or with the wrong details, or not at all. So do a full catalog sweep. Publish or delete every draft product sitting in limbo. Fix missing or low quality images. Resolve inventory discrepancies so your availability is actually accurate. Clean up duplicate or abandoned SKUs. For a store with under 500 products, budget a few hours for this. It's tedious, but it's the kind of cleanup that pays off the moment an AI feature starts reading your catalog at scale. You don't want the first impression and AI recommendation engine forms of your store to be built on your messiest data. Number 5, audit your product schema. ChatGPT shopping and Google AI overviews read structured data to decide which products to surface. I went deep on schema in video 7, so here I'll keep it to the editions prep version. The point for right now is simple. If your schema is broken, you're invisible to AI shopping features before they even launch. And schema breaks more often than people think. Most Shopify themes include product schema by default, but third-party app sections and custom code regularly break it. You add a reviews app, a bundle app, a custom section, and somewhere along the way, the structured data gets malformed or duplicated. You'd never know by looking at your store. So check it. Run your product pages through Google's rich results test. Confirm your product schema is present, valid, and complete with your price, availability, brand, identifiers, and rating. Fix any errors you find now. While there's time, instead of discovering them after a feature you wanted to use quietly skipped your store. Numbers 6 and 7 go together because they're both about going in with your eyes open. 6. Check your Shopify plan for feature access. Not every feature ships to every plan at the same time. Shopify's AI features have consistently rolled out to the higher tiers first, with the lower plans getting access weeks or months later. So before you build your whole launch day plan around a feature, check Shopify's current plan breakdown and know exactly what you'll actually have access to on day one. A paywall on launch day is a bad surprise. Find out now so you can plan around it instead of getting blindsided. 7, and this is the one almost everyone skips. Set a baseline before the features change anything. If you don't have a before, you can't measure the after. So today, pull your current numbers and save them. Your organic traffic, your AI referral traffic from ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI, your conversion rate. Screenshot it, write it down. Then when the Summer 26 features are live and working, you'll know exactly what moved and what didn't. The stores that skip this step spend 3 months guessing whether the new features actually helped them. The stores that set a baseline know in a week. That clarity is worth the 10 minutes it takes. So that's the 7. Metafields, descriptions, search and discovery, a clean catalog, valid schema, plan access, and a baseline. Notice what they all have in common. None of them are about the features Shopify announced. They're about your data being ready for whatever the features turn out to be. That's the real lesson here, and it's why this list works for every editions drop, not just this one. Shopify will keep shipping AI features that read your data. The stores with clean, complete, structured data win every time, automatically, because the features were built to reward exactly that. You can do this whole list in about a day. And if you do it now, you turn the next edition's drop and the one after that from a scramble into an advantage. If you want to know exactly where your store stands before you start, that's what our free AI commerce audit checks. Your metafields, your schema, your feed, your catalog, and your AI visibility with a prioritized list of what to fix first. Link in the description. Next video, we shift from getting your own store ready to choosing help. What a real AI commerce audit actually includes, so you know what good looks like, whether you do it yourself or bring someone in.